All right, welcome back. So let's take a look at an integral. So we're going to take the integral from negative infinity. Let me make sure I'm on the right. Yep, negative infinity to infinity of 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay. So this one equals the limit. We're going to take t out to infinity. Negative t to t. 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Okay. Now, this is a trigonometric integral. Remember, we're going to take x equal to tan theta. Dx is then secant squared of theta, d theta. Okay. Sort of a standard trigonometric integral by now, but I know that as students, it might not be as clear to you. So this is the limit. T goes to infinity. Let's write this. So this is going to be, let's keep this as x equals negative t to t. I don't normally like doing that, but we're going to do that. So then we're going to have secant squared of theta d theta over 1 plus x squared. But that's just secant squared. So we're just going to have d theta. Okay, so that's going to be what? Theta theta, now here, this is one, like I'm saying, I have to go back because I've written this x, so theta is the arctan of x. Okay, now what is the arctan? We have to think about that. So let's draw the tangent function. Okay, tangent function has these asymptotes at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. Okay, so it looks like so. Okay, so now the arctan is the inverse of that. So that means it's going to have horizontal asymptotes. It's going to look like so. Okay, so what's happening to arctan as you go out towards infinity? It's getting closer and closer to this pi over 2. And at negative infinity, it's getting closer and closer to negative pi over 2. Okay, so what does this give us? That is our answer. Okay. All right, let's see, I think I got another space for another problem in here. Let's see what I got. Okay, here's a nice one. Let's do the integral from 2 to 5 of 1 over the square root of x minus 2 dx. Okay, now I'm going to first start by doing a substitution. Notice this has a problem at x equals 2, right? Okay, there's a there's a vertical asymptote there at x equals 2. So we're going to write this first. We're going to do just a quick substitution. U equals x minus 2. So we're going to get from 0 to 3, 1 over square root of u du. Now this is a p-test, okay? I know it doesn't have a 1 here, but it's still fine. It's still the same sort of p thing that we were doing before. We're just going to go ahead and do the same thing, though. Okay, so we're going to get the limit as t goes to 0 from the right, t to 3, 1 over, I'm going to write this as u to the 1/2 du. Okay, I'm integrating, so that means I'm going to add the negative 1/2, so it's going to be limit as t goes to 0 from the right, u to the negative 1/2 divided by negative 1/2. Okay. Let me move that over. Not what I wanted. So that's equal to the limit, t goes to 0 from the right, negative 2 times nope, I made a mistake in my integral. Here it was negative 1/2. When I integrate it, I have to add 1, so it's 1/2. That becomes positive 2. So now we get divided by 1/2. Still 1, 2, okay. So we get 2 times square root of 3 minus square root of t. Now, what happens as t goes to 0? This is going to go to 0. Okay, so we get 2 root 3 as our answer. Okay, all right, I'll see y'all in the next video.